So I'm building this teak dock box with louvers. I got almost all my parts cut over here. These are going to be the louvers. I just got to round the ends of them. And then with the legs that come down, I got to mortise into those. And so I made this jig for my Festool domino and tested it out on this sample piece of pine. And what I did was I have some dominoes here so that as I do each one, I could space it, and this sits down right in the previous mortise that I did. And I tried to be pretty accurate with my measurements on these, but I guess they were off probably about a 32nd. And since the two legs, you need the mortises angling down the opposite direction, I set this up and I tested this out, and running 7 of them, the length that I came up with on this one compared to this one, I was off 1/8 of an inch, which I guess 1/8 of an inch divided by 7 is how far off they were, which isn't much. 32nd, 64th. So basically my morning was spent, not wasted, but I figured out that that wasn't going to work. And it's a good thing that I have this little CNC router. Inventable sent it to me, and I got on the computer because I figured with a computer I could just flip the image and I would be confident that it would be the same. So this is in my little mobile shop, and here I got it going to town. And so I just laid it all out right there and flipped it, and now I know that they're going to be identical. Can't really go wrong with that.